about the SPY gap. I'm kind of watching that same area. I expect that gap fill first and then go from there.
Too. We did it on NQ already, but ES has not yet. So I would anticipate we trade higher on NQ, keep trading higher on ES, and SPY until that's filled as well. I'm with you.
We got 1 minute.
1 minute.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Minx. If that's even your real name.
Fake passport too.
Dude,
Oh my goodness.
Minx was all fire.
Oh, Evan, I need to go bet on that Kalshi.
Crazy.
Evan made a post saying you can bet on Kalshi on whether Bitcoin will not make new all-time highs in 2026.
Oh, you guys are doing the prediction markets too.
Honestly, so far I just lost money on prediction markets. For being real.
Same.
I enjoy it.
It's fun.
We are open.
Ooh,
Oh.
let's see. I am looking
Long
to go-
ES, 10-minute EMA.
Mamma mia.
Yeah, we've got data at 10. I'm waiting to see if we can flush below 25,680 and then come back and retest that level to reject, to take a short. But right now I'm just going to wait.
I'd like to see us a little bit higher for the short. 765.50 is kind of spot I'm looking at.
Okay, let's see.
They are rocking it right here. Hello.
I know, but NVIDIA is pushing up. Microsoft's pulling back, so.
Got it. Yeah.
Yeah, you have Q initial downside candle, IWM initial upside candle over 270. Discontinue.
Buy red, sell green, ES, 3 points, sold half.
NVIDIA's pushing as
Divergence.
well.
Yeah, and NVIDIA's pushing pretty big. There's a divergence I don't like, so I'm just going to wait.
Let's see. Both your internals opened up positive, which is good. Your tick was plus 1100, which is good.
NQ's chilling at POC session.
SPX gap fill 6940 area.
Let the algo settle.
Yeah, I'd like to see it dip down, honestly, so I can get long. And then go fill the gap, or I'll just let it fill the gap and short at the high. Your SPY previous month high is 691.66.
I'm long gold, 3-minute CBC.
Heard.
Right above the gap fill, so that can be an area of resistance.
SPY, baby.
Let's
I want a
go.
freaking long here, but
Me too.
7
I'm
point
waiting
gain,
for it.
ES, sold a quarter.
RTY strong.
I wanted to
Q's
short, but we didn't
weak.
pop up. So, shit.
Q's about to backtest previous day high.
Yeah, this is strange why I'm pumping. RTY
6 point
pumping.
gain, gold, sold half.
ES moving higher and NQ reaching lower.
Yeah.
ooh, I forgot to pull up an account.
Ooh, MU and SanDisk are dropping. SanDisk is really dropping here.
Let's see.
10 point gain, gold, sold a quarter.
Big time, bro. Nice.
I see.
Yeah, Maple.
Nice entry, dude.
Babes loves his morning gold.
Let's start trading gold.
I'm watching NVIDIA calls here. If we get a secondary pop, we already cleared out liquidity from yesterday's high day, pre-market high. If we can get a candle close back above that or below it now, I will take calls. Not until then, though. I'm not cheating that entry at all.
I wish that the platinum price was just better. Not to cut you off, Hannah.
No, you're good. You're good.
Yeah, just like the different feels and stuff. I wish platinum felt good, but the spread is just like a point, and the points on platinum, the leverage is $50. It's like ES, but the tick size is smaller. So you could just get teleported, and there's no micros. So your P&L will just get teleported however many points, and they're big points.
Where are those
They're
spot
huge
689 calls at?
Wonderful points.
Going in nuts.
Yep.
380, holy shit.
Let's see. Nvidia's now pulling back a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe we do get a little bit of a pullback and a short scalp. Just gonna wait.
Same. I'm pushing like usual in the morning. Yeah, after that impulsive move yesterday, I'm just kind of waiting a couple extra minutes today to see how things are shaking out. Usually I'll jump in something pretty quick, not today.
Not a bad idea.
If we could get to 570s quickly, that would be ideal.
Mm.
Pat having a good morning.
Oh, damn it.
Looks good on the weekly for a bounce here.
Trail stop hit. MES.
Looks like MU, SanDisk, and WDC all together are gonna have a red day.
There we go. We got BK now.
Don, so you long
Good.
Pat, any options right now?
Pat, yes,
Me too.
but they're long. Like,
Yeah.
I don't. Yeah, they're. Yeah.
Happy Thursday, BK.
Happy Thursday. God, I know I want a short, but I want us to retest a little bit up there, like 680-ish.
It's a beautiful Thursday.
Hey pal, what are you doing?
No, fuck that stock. Sorry, excuse my language.
No, I bought equity down there
Nice. That's a good play though.
and sold some covered calls on it. So let me get checked. I'm probably
ES
red
long,
covered
10-minute,
call.
20 EMA risk.
They announced today that they agreed to acquire Symbio, a platform designed to help merchants self-select across AI channels.
Oh, they're actually making moves. They
They're
didn't
making
go
moves.
from the epicenter to digital payments and falling behind every other company in 3 years. Surprising.
They're trying to make some AI moves. Cool.
Tesla giving it up just a little bit.
I took a small IWM scalp position here with the delay. I could be out before you guys even hear this. Just please be careful. I think we could test that high a day. That's kind of what I'm looking for, just a scalp to high a day. Because they're cheap and move nice.
YM was the long dude. Dang.
Let's see if we can go up and reject 680-ish, 670.
You've got sub 16 mix now, and we were over 20 pre-market.
Where's the
4-point gain. ES sold half.
Apple's starting to get a little poppy here.
PayPal Daily does have a bullish divergence.
There you go. Yeah. Yes, it does.
Yeah.
I hate that start, but
I hate it too. Don't get me wrong.
I'm short.
But I mean, the stock looks absolutely disgusting. But zooming out on the weekly chart, starting a new position for equity on a company that honestly a lot of people still use, and I can sell covered calls and cash secure puts on it. Extra premium during that time. I mean,
7-point gain. ES sold a quarter.
why not?
Instant, almost 40% on IWM in those two candles. We did hit our high a day. Depending on
Nice.
your contracts, could be even more than that.
Let's go.
I got a question for you guys for something that I'm programming. Do you guys care if you get literally tick by tick updates, like by the order, or if it's like
I'm
trading
stuck
view
out.
where it's throttled?
I guess I like trading view more throttled, to be honest, but it might be because of the
Might be
style I
it.
trade, you know.
Performance wise too, it's a lot if you give everyone all the data constantly, like all the time. Like if you were to try and digest the whole time in sales every day, like that's a lot.
That's why I'm asking, because like the implementation I have now does that and it's working. So I kind of surprised myself, but I'm like, I might want to ensure it by throttling it just a few milliseconds.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks guys.
Yep, I'm
I
back
love that
in.
you're always working on that stuff. It's awesome, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
He's a dog.
Gamma with the Salama IWM
Yeah.
new high. Like this candle.
Love it, love it, love it. Already about 70% there. even 80
Yeah.
plus. Let's go. I'm down to 10.
So back test previous day high on Q, so looking weaker, but SPY pushing.
I'm gonna grab a long here. I think you.
I got a gap fill on SPY. I think it's what 691.5. I put a directional analysis pin at the top. With the level.
Yes, sir.
NVIDIA getting
I
very
Get a
close.
KC. Another dollar higher would be nice. Over that, 693.
Yeah, 69.40 on FPX, and then again, like Maple said, that gap fills near 691.50 on SPY, and previous month high retest is 691.66. So I think it's a good target area for longs, and I'm honestly going to be looking for a short up there after this move that we've had and the gap fill completes. So we'll see if it can happen.
NVIDIA is getting close to yesterday's high a day. It's not there yet, but I am still watching that on another monitor. Because it's not that initial break, I might wait for like a 5-minute candle. It's like a 3-minute candle close above it, not just a 1 minute to pop its head above there. I want to kind of really confirm that entry.
Come on. It's pretty wicky.
Down to 5 out of 50 on IWM, and I have my stop set at break even. Because it kind of looks like shit. Just trying to pop though.
And
For me personally, somewhere it's kind of sifting through what popped just because the whole market popped and what's gonna retain that and continue to push. I'm just ciphering through the two.
Just more of a drizzle.
Trail stop hitting profit EF.
Come on.
Previous
Better.
fibs, we are at the 382 from previous week fibs. On SPX.
I'm all out of IWM. Tesla at the 435 break could be interested because Tesla's one of the few tickers
Oh,
I think can run even if SPY dumps.
Big deal.
there we go.
Oh, there's a
2
dump.
points.
Nice.
Yeah, ugly.
Oh,
Good job, guys.
Nice short.
Good stuff.
So QQQ can fill, guess the overnight gap first.
Watch the potential sweep previous day high. Maybe they break under that pivot 688.46 on SPY and sweep it for the longs. Good cut up there though.
I almost thought there was a headline that came out with how fast that candle came down.
That's because I was in shorts.
That was the headline.
Yeah. My stop loss is in profit, so.
ASTS trying to keep things moving after that morning dip.
Yeah.
Meta's still cooking. Video doesn't look great. Reminder, core PCE data at 10.
Yeah, that's on the way for right now.
Ooh, Rivian.
Mm-hmm.
Little poppy. Back to 17 it goes. Rivian back tested the headline breakout on the weekly. That was a really good buy area.
I got some really good dip buys the other day on Zeta and bounced off the 50 SMA. Nice 3 days up so far.
Yeah, let me post this chart.
What's up?
Over here.
Yeah.
If we come down to 606, and then we'll have resting order attention.
I've got 592 as a
Ooh,
spot.
I think we hold the bail. We got some positive gamma exposure in there.
Here's your
I like
SPY
that bill breaker,
previous
though.
day high.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna cancel the entry and just enter limit orders. That's what we do. Probably more
Oh,
prudent, especially with this environment.
58 points, 59.
If we get that sweep below the bill and holds, that'd be sweet.
So.
Right there was 606.
Just keep drilling. Just keep drilling.
Just keep drilling. Just keep drilling.
Getting close to that overnight low.
Yeah, RWM, QQQ, SPY, all new lows. Q's is in the gap now.
There it goes. Come on, 592. Give me the maple bill breaker. Well,
Get
it
it
kind of.
right there. London or below 584. That's a good target. Would fulfill the Billy, but I think 10-minute 200 is gonna act as a big magnet.
I got
So I'll wait for the next
592.
candle. Maybe we get a green to short for me to jump in.
There's 68 points, guys.
I'm gonna take a ladder
Nice.
gold long, 3-minute CVC half position.
Oh,
76.
Let's go. Nice call.
Oh, 80.
Shawty's getting
81 points. Oh, you guys, we're really drilling oil, huh? Oh, shit.
They're drilling it.
That's a nice candle.
I'm loving it. I only have 2 left, but fuck.
Man, they couldn't pop it up a little bit higher for me to short. It's all right.
Described along that.
Overnight gap about to fill right here on Q's. This keeps going.
Yep.
A minute.
Yep. 90. Come on, give me 100 points.
Ahana.
Oh,
I mean, I kind of want a milli, but it's okay. I'll settle.
Negative NQ, yeah.
Come on. $95, $90. I'm feeling like Rizzo today. 100 points.
as long as you don't feel like Rizzo did yesterday.
Oh, don't even go.
I heard it was quite the adventure.
107, 105. Oh,
Oh.
You know, it looks like the gas, like when you go fill up your gas at the gas station. That's what my numbers are looking right now.
I stopped that on my lawn mower.
111. I moved my stop loss way into nice profit. Ah, that was a good one. Got to breathe.
SPY overnight gap can go down to 585.
I don't know. I guess trading with this dude is kind of cool, huh?
I love you.
Yeah, we've got data in 10 minutes.
That we do. All right, little bounce spot here
Bounce
potentially
lower.
on SPY and Qs, but
I'm
I
all
don't
out.
think I don't
I'm
think
all
it
out.
holds. I think we'll break it. Might get an initial bounce, but I don't see why we don't just move a little bit lower.
Yeah.
Yeah, below the weekly 236 now. That short on 3-2 is great. GG's Meeks.
Mm-hmm.
Do you run fibs on NASDAQ? Because that's what you're trading?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't trade with fibs. That's he trades fibs. I don't know.
Emperador Maximiliano.
Yep.
Or now we just have to call him Ryan. What a shame.
I know, it's so weird. I don't like calling him Ryan. I still call him M.
Mm-hmm.
It still comes out.
I don't know what Ryan is, but
Exactly.
Who the fuck is this guy?
I was early on
I think NVIDIA off this little double bottom, it held way
I
better
just hear
than
y'all
SPY
slandering my
did.
name over here while I'm catching
This Ryan guy's a lie.
Do you work for Ryan Air or something?
Ryanair.
He does. He does.
I think he's the Ryan that Musk wants
Make
to.
me CEO.
Make
Yeah.
give him that CEO pay.
Here's the bouncy bouncy. Now, do they just reshort it on a back test?
And we've got a milli.
Damn, that was a good bounce. Holy shit.
I know. I had a perfect exit too.
Should have flipped it and reversed it like Missy Elliott.
And the bounce was 70s, not
Shut the
50s.
fuck up, Case.
Shut the fuck up, Casey.
I'm just trying to get another song stuck in your head for the day.
Just don't, because my brain has different songs popping up. Like,
That's 30% on that NVIDIA. A lot of people were talking. I'm not sure if you heard my entry or not, but I did mention taking NVIDIA calls off that scalp or off that bottom bounce because it held way better than SPY did. So if we were going to bounce, I figured NVIDIA would have a nice bounce.
Let's go.
And there goes Tesla at our 435 as well.
Ticker.
I'm cutting a short here at 17s. It's an algo level, so retesting that. Stop will be above the wick on the 10 minute. The 10 minute
Watching
wick,
IWM as well.
28s.
There's over 50% on the video. I have 10 left. I want to see on event Tesla behaves here at 435 on this little back test. I haven't filled anything yet. I don't necessarily love it, but let's see.
Average is 618.
Five minutes, so data, less than 5.
There you go. Took it all off right there. It's nice. Nice
Bill breaker short, MNQ.
Wow.
That was a nice back test of the algo level. Passed an eval with that one. That's sweet.
IWM still going
Where is it going?
up. It bounced and it has not fallen with NQ or SPY right there. Oh, now it is.
20-point gain, MNQ covered half.
Guess it was a potential short the back test the previous day high. Now we're gonna go lower.
A milli?
Meta holding up strong. What's the meta with you?
That 600 reaction was
I
pretty
love that so much.
Yeah, that 600 strike level. I mean, really good reaction off that area. I mean, looking at the weekly chart as well. I mean, down in that area wasn't I think it was your monthly 21, which Meta got a big reaction off of that back in April 2025, and then again in November 2025. So it just hit again. Both times, stock went from 480 to almost 800, and then it went from 580 to over 700. So now it can go from 600, see if it can go back up to 700 maybe.
Looking at Tuesday and Wednesday daily candles, the low on each of them, Tuesday, 600 flat. Wednesday, $600.08.
Mm-hmm.
So there's definitely some bids waiting right there.
So I think it's back testing your daily 50 and your 21 right now. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Data in a few minutes, guys.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
There's the move lower.
Oh my god, you guys ever get stuck in your head?
Yes.
Yeah, because you always sing it. It's always stuck in my head.
Whenever I get migraines, I get the most random song stuff in my head, and it'll either be like the metal that I listen to, or sometimes it's One Direction. Is no
I feel like
weird.
either one of those two would make the migraine worse.
One Direction, especially sometimes if it's groovy, then I can just sit there in my pain and just kind of.
And I'm guessing,
with that rhythm,
Joe, I'm guessing the One Direction comes with Luciana.
dude. That yes. I'll make her drive to the gym. She's like, all right, but we have to listen to One Direction.
I've been getting the Brita Water social media jingles in my head.
What?
I don't even, yeah, I don't know what that is.
30 seconds.
Data.
Better
Flat gold.
and
Oh,
lower.
damn. Let's see what it came in. Come on.
Lower we go.
Core PCE. 0.2%. Forecast was 0.2%. Okay. Wait, today's January. Give me a second. Personal income 0.3%. Forecast was 0.4%. And then personal spending month over month was 0.5%, and forecast was 0.5%. I mean, it's kind of in line, except a little bit income. What you mean? Mm-hmm.
I cracked myself up, dude.
Did anybody short?
I shorted
Yeah,
the
I got it at
recess
the bill.
before, but
You guys
not
got it
at,
way earlier though. Nice.
yeah, not at data. I didn't short the data.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 10-minute 200, 497. Trailing stop though.
Both core and regular PCE were 2.8%.
You know, we haven't had a tick go under the 0 line all morning.
Because we ballers.
Ballin'.
All right.
La, hola.
Other than some tech weakness, the heat map doesn't look too bad.
We can come down a little bit lower. I'll try along.
Just energy, minerals, and
High risk here. I'm going to short ES using Lux Algo signals and overlays right here. 3-minute risk. Painted red. Likely to hold this until it flips purple or we hit target.
Yeah.
You only have negative gamma exposure below NES. I think here you have positive as well. That supports the short. I got probability that we break 6,900 over 50%.
Casey, I think you willed that into existence because it's a minute after you said that we got the negative tick of the day.
Let's see. Oh, it hasn't closed under it. There's 30 seconds left. It is under the zero line. It is
50-point gain, MNQ, covered down to the runner.
Oh, are they going to reclaim the zero line? 7 seconds.
4, 3.
3, minus 40, minus 30. Oh, they closed it. Minus 37. First tick under the zero line. Bring it down. Burn it to the ground. Amazon looking weak. Apple actually popping back up near the highs. Microsoft weak. Tesla flat. All right, man.
Ain't doing much here.
No.
Rocket Lab. Correct.
And some defense is still holding up. Lockheed is green. GE is red 5%. They beat earnings, but they are red. That doesn't look like a bad swing right there.
Datadog just made new highs. Day up 6% right now.
Get off my charts, bro.
Are you in data looking at Datadog right now?
Yeah.
It's a
We're just
it was one of the dumpster diving charts.
That was 118. 118 was like the main pivot, which is like $15 below. So, anyways.
Datadog.
If you got the 20 data, I'm sure.
Thinking low baseline cues.
That rare earth name USAR is up 7% today.
Yeah, I just saw that a few minutes ago. That was insane.
So are they giving them Greenland or something?
There was a, wasn't there a rare deal with that? Weird that would go up. But MP's the other one, so watching.
TMC is the metal's name at low of day, still up 9%. Bit of a skitsy one.
TMC, Charlie?
Yeah, the metal company.
Yeah, they're the ones that drag for metals on the bottom of the ocean.
Ah, okay. My mentor's a huge metals guy, so I come across all the weird tickers, but it's just not my world.
Elon is speaking at 10:30 at WEF.
I'm trying to set up here again to go.
USAR $43 calls coming in. The stock is at $22.92, by the way.
How much are they paying for those? I got know.
They bought 5,000 contracts for 266 on the premiums. They bought them above the ask for $1.33 million
I hate them.
for 6/18/2026.
I'm long at WM.
That's insane.
Can I give it a go here? Gonna give it a try.
We'll give it a go.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a try.
Darn, I'm not gonna fill it in.
Hmm. Hmm.
Stuck.
Hmm?
Apparently doing enough. Thank you. Well, let's make a decision. What can we do in here?
Nodder.
Man,
You? Yeah. I'll probably go maybe. I don't know. They're not trying to bounce it, so maybe lower, fill the green to red.
Yeah, it's not looking bouncy.
Yeah, we're not getting any sort of like meaningful bounce by. We are kind of flatlining here, which is where pre-market did open as well, and we had that big uptrend candle. Let's see. We're not getting any sort of a pop though either, so I'm neutral right now. Nvidia's holding really well, I've got to say. I like that. And Tesla's still flirting with that 435, but a lot of the last couple weeks when Tesla doesn't make any sort of move, the first 45 minutes or so, it tends to chop really badly and just be a theta killer. So
Okay, here goes my IWM. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go.
Nice.
I'm going to trim some off here.
Good job. Great. Done trading, but I'm gonna stick around.
let's go.
Until the plots.
Oh, not today.
She's like, hell no.
Hail to the no.
Everything we do around here is just around songs now.
PC needs to get a soundboard where every time you take your trade or trends, he puts on like a 90s rap song.
Yeah.
He knows them all.
I should just start keeping my guitar on my lap.
Yes, do it.
That'd be awesome.
When we pump, I could play like some like Happy Leads, and when we dump, I could play like death metal.
While it's selling off, just like
Yeah. Make it sound like the end of the world.
I have 5-minute inverted, but it's not the prettiest one.
Amazon is against previous day high and VWAP right here from below. Rivian or Padre.
Good. I need it.
There's the long playing out a bit better. RBRK is being annoying. Down on the bottom of the support zone again.
Okay, so they're trying to get above that 5-minute inverted. They need to close above it. Right now they are above it, so that's good. Let's see if they rejected the 9 EMA though, which they have all morning, which is 9 points away. Take it away. iDubbbz needs over 270.50 to continue higher.
Some calls coming in on Carvana, CVNA.
They rejected the 9 EMA there. Oh no.
Molly, oh, Maisie, you chewing on my iPhone case? Maisie. Sorry, guys, I thought I was muted. That dog had my iPods.
It's okay. My dog is 4 years old and still just.
Too short ladder, 10-minute green.
He takes shoes under the bed. He doesn't bite them. He just likes to. I don't know. Yeah, literally, he's a little special.
Well, this one's real special. She'll chew up tinfoil if I let her. Like you said.
I replied to this space with the NQ Greeks and current probabilities. Changes, price changes, but there's a little snapshot. No POC none down here on DS, on NQ, I mean. 30.
Ooh, there goes IWM.
Nice.
Nice.
I literally just realized I was muted and I said, IWM looks like it could be good for calls here, but we're just below high a day, so it'd be high risk. That's funny.
Yeah, I just trimmed it out again.
I didn't hear your IWM call out, Amajama, but I did hear you yell at them for chewing on your headphones.
I mean, it's kind of risky, but I do think IWM's gonna take a little pop here.
Yeah. I needed to get over 270.50 and I trimmed when I did that. If we can get over that lower high at 65, then I think it just shoots for the highs.
Agreed.
This is like a weird stall.
No, we're just sitting at 6,900 SPS.
This is a nothing.
I mean, we have a gap to fill still upside over 69.30, but we also have a gap to fill downside to 68.75. So we're either going to go down 25, 30 points or go back up 30 points. See which gap wants to fill first.
I'd like to see us make that new low into 10:30 when IV forms.
Same. Internals have been cruising up all morning. Tick is still spending majority of the time above the zero line. Your Valdi and Valdi Q have been cruising up.
Cut ES.
Yep, here we go. That IWM's gonna pop.
Bang bang. I like the loan, but I don't like to play anything when we're in between POC and VWAP, and I don't want to buy again on the screen.
There goes IWM. It's gonna see new highs.
Meta's coming up to orb high.
And Q still has not broken the 5-minute 9 above.
Amazon getting over VWAP and previous day high. Let's see if we get a close on there.
Singing a song.
He's so.
Dude, I thought that like something got in my headphones. I don't know what that was. That makes a lot more sense now. That's wholesome.
Hammer Jammer is going. I dibs.
So like SPY filled this overnight gap little on the session.
The other ones, I just here's my logic. The other ones, pre-market trade, aftermarket trade, that's actual trade, like shares trade hands.
Correct.
So they're not really gaps. But overnight, they're real hard imbalances. So I would just call that a session gap. The other ones I don't count because there was trade.
I do like to jump between the daily and the 24-hour to see the extended session though on TradingView, just to kind of see what's up, because sometimes levels will hit outside of that and you capture more of the volume, like dark pool.
Like technically SPY, the gap fill is 685.50.
Yeah, they both filled already.
So SPY can
Wow, look at that rejection.
beautiful rejection.
Fuck.
So like in the trading view session from overnight, the gap just filled on the 10 a.m. candle. But if you do regular trading hours and not extended, we still have another $2 potentially to drop on SPY. So that's why I was curious on like what majority of people are.
It's like this. The only way that other $2 should even be in your head though, as like an intraday trader, is if you're below the session gap, the actual like the true gap. Otherwise,
that's
forget
the only
about
way
it.
that that's the only way that I trade that gap from previous close to this open is when that session gap then breaks, or do they some kind of SR flip, whatever it is, to then use that as a next target. That's the only way that I usually trade that out.
No, you trade that systematically, 100% of the time.
Long gold, 3-minute CBC.
That takeout low to that IB formant.
Fuse also filled its little gap.
Something that's not my bingo card this year is the Palantir merch arc. I'm so here for it.
Oh gosh. Does it come embedded with surveillance technology or is that extra?
Probably extra.
I just want a little bit lower so I can try it long.
That's how they're gonna differentiate us when the AGI comes up and like he ordered merch, he's good.
You're on the Skynet good list.
Yeah.
5-point gain gold, sold half.
Nice.
That's not true.
I did pull the Amazon 235s at 85 cents.
Now, do they push it up or drag it down?
Still think we gotta take out that IB low in the 10:30 here.
I mean, that was an ugly 5-minute candle. And then they instantly are pushing this one back up, so it's interesting. What the hell are they doing?
More CVNA calls coming in.
Taking 95 cents on those Amazon calls.
SPY, you piece of shit. Why couldn't you have dropped like just a little bit more to sweep that low before you start mooning?
IDEV's just going to see a new high day.
Is that financial advice?
What?
Send it. I'm trying to find contracts on Carvana, but I can't.
MNQ long bill breaker, 3-minute CBC.
Oh, fuck, Maple.
You're going to make me break my bill.
He's gonna make me chase this thing up here.
All right, 11-point gain gold, sold a quarter.
I just wanted one more downside move. Not a bad area to to open up a condor or start selling some spreads.
I
Mm-hmm.
sold 608 puts. I didn't get any. I didn't sell any calls though, so no iron condo for me.
Let me go ahead and get SPX pulled up for it.
For that IB low to come into play now.
I grabbed the long at 81. I had 81.
We just had our first close over the 9. Let's see if we can wick this candle.
I'm about to back test previous day high again on SPY.
Elon should start speaking soon. Let me see if I can pull that up.
There's a little something, something. Moving my stop and profit, full position.
Nice job.
All right, splendid. Of about
I like VWAP target 617, potentially previous day high 653.
Yep, here's 20-point gainish, 15-ish.
Looks like the Elon thing is starting. Yep, he's on stage.
If this 10-minute candle can hold a green, that'd be ideal. Okay, I'm out for a stop and profit right there.
He's up there with Larry Fink.
Big old Finkster. I don't like this.
It doesn't seem like they want to hold it.
IWM new high day.
Cool.
Actually, it's a penny. Now it's a new high day.
Cheers.
Let's see a move to 616, 620. In just a moment here.
Oh my gosh. Elon totally just made fun of Trump. He said he made fun of the Peace Summit, and he said, "I thought it was with an I. Yeah, you want a little piece of Greenland?"
I'm really not positive what NQ is looking to do right now.
I have no idea. It's either going to be like a quick 20-point rip, or we're about to see like a 20-point drop. It'll be quick either way. IWM's going higher.
Hell yeah, it is. Let's go.
Hell yeah. Oh, there we go.
Bill broken. Go to VWAP. Gold ripping out of control here. Previous day high 875. There's a 15-point gain MNQ. I sold half.
There we go.
20-point gain gold, sold down to the runner.
We're right at VWAP. Let's see what happens.
About to hit 50% retracement of the range. Data says we take out IB low.
30-point gain, MNQ sold a quarter. Beautiful reversal.
Oh yeah.
That was a VWAP scale. Next is 10-minute 20, previous day high, 653 area.
Just waiting to see if they hold VWAP and 21 EMA here on the 5.
Zeta looking good, having a nice day. It printed that oh shit yesterday on the daily.
Oh, Oscar is coming back up too. Nice. Path.
Stock's now at 4%.
My account looks good. I feel good. I feel good.
I think I'm
Feel
doing
happy?
something right. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman in Middle East to raise about $50 billion in a new round per CNBC News. More CVNA sizable sleep calls coming in as well. We also talked about ticker team. It printed an oh shit on the daily yesterday as well. That stock is also up 4%.
Marvel's ready to pop. I've already got some swing trade on the March on this, up a little bit, but
Hell
if we can hold, no, you don't think so?
Oh no, 100%. I cannot. I can't swing trade that thing.
Hell no.
Yeah, it's my AMD, and what did you
Dude.
mention earlier? I was like, nope, I ain't touching that shit. PayPal.
God, yeah. It's like every time I chart MRVL, I swear to God, it works out. The issue is it just takes so long before it plays
Yeah.
out, and then it stops me out. I don't re-enter, and then I watch it go, and I'm like, daggum.
And then it goes so damn quick. It's
Yep.
like, yep.
That one, it's just all about time, because I'll enter into the trade and I'll sit in that thing for 3, 4, 5 days, even a week, and just nothing happens. Consolidation, I'm down 20-30%, and then it starts to pull back a little bit more, and I'm like, I'm just going to go ahead and close this one, and then 1 to 2 days later, boom, it goes and hits target, and I'm like, are you shitting?
Oh, I feel you. I had to double down on mine in the Discord.
Every time I see that, but
That's funny.
Always those
Yeah, I
daggums.
hey, there you go. That team looks good.
Average 624. Stop this. Break up this wick. See what happens. Stopped out right there.
Thank you. Starting to pop again.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a put spread.
Same.
Let's go. Rip it.
Wait, give me 1 second before we rip. Just need one.
You're like 60.
Pick 'em up.
60s down there on SPX.
Okay, I'm in one.
He's in locked and loaded.
Now it's probably gonna drop like 50 points just to make me want to shoot myself.
Isn't that how it always goes?
Yo, how's the stats? How's everyone trading today? 1's in the chat if you're green, 2's in the chat if you're red, 0, no trades or break even. 0. Let's see it. Let's see it.
Silver looks like it's ready to have a slight pullback.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Okay, IWM still leading higher.
Guys, don't forget, go check out some of my favorite firms to trade with. Here is Lucid Trading. You can use code MAPLE in the chat for 40% off of the blackout sale. It's great. Oh, shit. I'm so sorry.
Oh shit. Oh
I'm
shiza.
Hold on. I'll mute. My bad.
Oh, you good. You can still keep going. Why'd you stop?
All goody.
I want those discounts.
Yeah, why you stop? Wait,
Where
you know
are
what?
Going?
We ain't good like that, I guess.
Use code WOLF.
We pieces of shit on here.
Yo, if you take those Amazon 235 calls with me, you're almost at 50% here.
Beautiful BK.
Nice. Amazonian.
Come on, pop it. Let's do it. This is getting old, man. It's starting pissing me
Yeah,
off.
I'm gonna take this SPX put credit spread here. I can add on some dips. I still want to try and get a long, but I don't know if I can open up.
And what I noticed I've been doing with especially my funded prop accounts is when I get bored and I start like wait, I'll double up on how many I'm buying, which is a terrible thing to do. And I gotta stop doing that. I blew 2 of my 5, one that I already got 2 payouts on, but I blew 2 of my 5 accounts because I got bored and I'm like, I'm just gonna buy more and make it quicker.
No.
Just asshole moves like that. And I can't do
I've
it.
been there. I've done that.
Yep. It's like on my options account, I have enough money I can trade myself out of 80% of trades where I kind of fuck my entry, but these props, there is no leeway. That 2K comes quick.
Yeah, for real. It does come fast.
Yeah, like, I've been trading for years, and I'm sure this goes for a lot of people. Once you switch to props, it's a whole new animal. You've got to trade it different. Of course, like, the setups matter, but you have to trade it much different than options, in my opinion. It's much different.
Agreed. And to be honest, with prop, like, they're in terms of risk to reward, majority of the time it is better for the payout system to do something where it's a little more lower risk to reward, but higher win rate. Even though like you can kill it with a high R strategy, like it's not like you can, but just with the prop firms and the drawdown rules and getting paid out, it's definitely better for most, I would say, to focus on like a little more of a quicker strategy.
Yeah, I think it just instills like discipline into traders that
For sure.
also don't know what they're doing most of the time,
Absolutely.
And going into the risk to reward, I mean, like, I can't use my own code, of course, but I'll use Wolf X on Apex. That's all I've been using and loaded up. A bunch of accounts, 90% off sale. Most of these are like $20 or less for the 50Ks. You pay your $65 activation. Just recently, right, activated these where I'm like 1 day to pay out.
Nice.
So these accounts cost me maybe a total of like $600-$700. I'm gonna get a payout of $2,000 across those accounts, right? So risk to reward
Exactly.
is
It's not about making thousands of dollars each account. It's about, spreading it out, slowing it down, less contracts.
Yeah, and
per
just taking the
trade.
time, because like a lot of traders want $10,000 in a day or two, but saying, hey, this might take 2 or 3 weeks, turns them off to it. But 2
Which
to
is
3 weeks
crazy.
to make 10K is fantastic money.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And then you
And
still
then-
have your account after the payout.
Yep.
And you can run it up again, or if you lose it, you have money to reload.
From the comfort of your desk.
Damn right.
I mean, it's been fun, like just building out like a whole new strategy when it comes to props. And I've gotten a few payouts and stuff. It's been a lot of fun though, but for sure, like slowing it down and having a few more accounts and just smaller profits through each account definitely has worked better for me as well. It's
There's way too
crazy,
much
yeah.
leverage.
Silver futures,
There's that previous day high target, NQ 653. Gold previous day high target incoming. That's 7 points higher.
yeah, I closed most of my NQ long there. Cheers, guys.
Still want to see if we take out that IP low, but it's been pretty hard since then, so.
I just closed Zeta, some March calls that I grabbed on the dip 3 days ago.
$55-point gain MNQ. I'm gonna sell down to the runners.
Nice.
We did hit half back of the range. Wonder if Emp's short right now, looking for IB low. Might be.
I tried to get a fill, but it tickled it. It's like a few ticks off.
And Tesla, a new high a day briefly.
IWM just keeps going. Keep on swimming. Keep on swimming.
Come on, I could get a fail. Oh, you market makers.
There, the previous day high rejection on cues.
Cheryl stop hitting profit and then
They got me. I'm still flat. Little chasing, I got a short at 619.
Data's still saying we go to Ivy low, but I didn't bought it on every dip right now, so.
You were ready to VWAP, we'll either reject it or we'll either bounce off of it or, butter through it. But yeah, I stepped up.
Three-minute EMA test here for the longs and Q. Risky though, because VWAP gold about 2 points away from previous day high. 27-point gain right here.
Well, not good.
Musk said by the end of the next year, we will be selling humanoid robots to the public.
Oh.
Freaky.
I thought we were doing that this year.
Right?
Damn, I thought the Roadster was supposed to come out 5 years ago.
Where's the $25,000 car?
A Tessie's getting a little pop right here. What did he say?
Humanoid robots are being sold next year.
Oh, shit.
It's about to get freaky, bro.
I know for a fact people are gonna get freaky with those robots. Sick fucks.
Oh God, yeah.
Chill.
Chill.
The stuff he's
Hell,
nowadays.
I know someone thought of it when Maple said freaky. Don't lie to me.
Go, Tessie. Go.
Is she finally starting to push?
Yeah, I just got a candle from
Oh shit. Okay, let's go.
Elon.
Let's go, Elon. Thank you. It's call's been stagnant for the better part of 45 minutes. Thank you for mentioning that. I had no idea. I had to offload quite a big chunk of those. You just saved me about $500 there.
Now there's the break of the left.
It runs in this 5-minute gap at 601.75. I think that IB low comes into play, but see if they keep respecting this. 5 minutes till the top of the hour. We're gonna roll into a quick combo with our friends over at Quantify. Just 30-minute combo, and then we'll be hopping on stream. But we're gonna be showcasing and deep diving into some of the new ETFs that they're dropping quickly. So stay tuned for that at the top of the hour. Then we'll be back to live trading on the stream after that. Let's see us take out this IB. And I think the long is really on.
I just pinned that clip of him saying when the robots will be sold to the public. If you want to see it.
I mean, didn't they say that? I mean, that's kind of what saved their earnings sometime last year when all the Trump, maybe it was the first earnings of 2025 when Trump and Elon kind of really, it was in the dumps, anti-Tesla, and they said they expected their overall profitability or like income to double by 2030 based on like Optimus and this and that. I faintly recall that being said by them in one of their forward guidance or one of their calls after earnings earlier in 2025. So now we're going to sell one by next year after saying it was going to double their overall in the next 4 years.
Yeah.
And lower those expectations down a little bit.
What do they know? They know nothing.
Bubble trying to run through. Nvidia's still holding up. Meta's still killing it. Google's not looking very good though. Amazon doesn't care what the market's doing today. Come on. What is it? Silver and gold picked it back up. New all-time high on silver.
Wee. Let's get a Honda huge.
95,885. Gold did not hit a new all-time high yet. Very close. Our 2Y is flying at all-time highs though. YM is right there, got relative equal highs to break at all-time highs. Should see that. If not today, maybe to the rest of the week. to get under this 592.50. And we can go see that IV low here.
I think the Quantify Funds account is requested.
Yes, sir. I'm getting him up and about to change his title.
Where?
They're holding this. No order flow flipping yet, so don't know if we'll see that IV low. But either way, we're going to get running into another conversation here at the top of the hour. We're going to be going through some new ETFs from our friends over at Quantify here. For those that don't know in the audience, these are the creators of BTGD, which we've talked about a ton in the past, the Bitcoin and gold ETF. So excited to have this combo and see what kind of new products are coming out. Who do we have buying the Quantify account today?
Can we head out? Take care, guys.
I'll see you
Sounds good,
later.
okay. Who do we have? Oh, I guess. Trying to get back up. Should be good now. Do we get that Quantify account up?
I'm here. How's it going, guys?
Doing good. How are you?
Doing well. If you wouldn't mind, could you also add Quantify Chaos in as a speaker? We have our partners at Convexitas there as well.
Yeah, sounds good.
And I think Venuto is in the crowd as well.
Yeah, if they can just request to speak, got Mike Venuto up. We should be able to get everybody up here. So yeah, if you're in the space and you're supposed to be speaking, just feel free to press that little mic in the bottom left. We'll get you up on stage. But yeah, excited for this conversation. I know we've had plenty of spaces in the past talking about BTGD and some of the other products you guys have, but excited because I know you guys are dropping some new ones, and we over here love our ETFs. So excited to deep dive into the combo. Real quick for the audience, just quick disclaimer: we do work with Quantify, so there is risks with investing in ETFs. Make sure you guys are, going to the summary prospectus. You guys can see all the information at quantifyfunds.com. So just want to make sure I throw that out there. Stay safe with these investments, but going to be exciting to see what kind of new products you guys have.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll kick it off real quick, and then while we're waiting for our partners to hop on as well.
I think I just got them up, so should be ready to roll.
Amazing. Okay, so we have 3 new ETFs launching today, as you alluded to. 2 in the income space. We believe this is a new way to do income investing that's more risk managed as opposed to just pure strike selling. We're using the same concept as BTGD, so this will be return stacked 200% total exposure. We have a whole lineup launched here, filed here. We started with just 2 so far, ISSB and ISBG. So ISSB is income stacked stocks in Bitcoin. It's 100% exposure to S&P 500 and 100% exposure to Bitcoin with essentially a slightly advanced covered call strategy on each leg of it. And then we also have ISBG, income stacked Bitcoin and gold. So similar exposures with the income overlay on each leg of it. And we can get into more detail as to what that is shortly. But the concept really is first and foremost to really give you the exposure of each underlying leg. So, every single day you have approximately 100% exposure to both underlying asset classes. We'll rebalance between the 2 asset classes. I'd say if you want to think about who our competitors may be or how to benchmark us, I think the most applicable benchmark is the NEOS lineup. We have a lot of respect for what they do over there at NEOS. So for our ISSB, you can think of it as SPYI plus BTCI minus the cost of financing. And then similarly in ISBG, the income stacked Bitcoin and gold, you can think of it as their IAUI on top of BTCI minus the cost of financing. I'll say where we differ from what they're doing is we have a little more flexibility as to the tenors we'll be selling. So our beta will be from in-the-money call options, but that tenor will range anywhere from 3 months to 18 months. And then we'll sell a portion of the notional, not necessarily 100% of the notional, between 1 day and 180 days. And so you heard that correctly. We can use pretty much 0 DTE options all the way up to 6-month options on the options we're selling. Once we get Convexitas up here, we can talk a little bit more about why and when we might be shorter dated in that versus longer dated. I think some of our competitors tend to offer strategies that are just 3 months or just 0 DTE. And there's pluses or minuses in all this, and there's times when one might be better than the other. And we think actually that's where the potential source of alpha lies, in really picking those different tenors in the portfolio. And then we'll also opportunistically sell puts on those strategies, on those asset classes as well. It won't be for 100% of the portfolio, call it like 0 to 33% of the portfolio. And that's really when we see like a spike in volatility that we think we can take advantage of. So really, we're just trying to harvest this volatility, distribute a consistent rate of distributions, but also participate on the upside, which we think is very important for this, to not just cap 100% of the upside and, leave a vehicle that you just get your income and then downside on the asset class. So we're really trying to focus on being able to actually participate in rallies in these underlying asset classes and still have a steady stream of distributions coming from that.
Yeah, so tapping into the income product side of things, which we've seen a lot of people do over the past year, and I think a lot of people have been taking that on a positive note. There's so many times in the market where maybe when we're absolutely ripping, you're not going to perform as well, but when things are not doing as well, maybe sideways or downside, you're still collecting that income, which I think is huge. And to have that on the Bitcoin and gold is awesome, because I know you guys do have BTGD, so to be able to make income off that as well is great. Wanted to get some thoughts from Michael Venuto as well. Mike, I know we usually have you on YieldMax, but stoked to have you on here talking about some of these income products. What kind of opportunity do you see when you look at the Bitcoin Gold Premium Income ETF and some of the U.S. stock to Bitcoin ETF as well?
Yeah, I mean, I've been real excited about BTGD for over a year. I mean, the returns are unbelievable. To add to that, the income component just is a natural next step, and to also add the stock component, right? You tend to have two camps out there. You have the camp that's the Bitcoin maxis, and then you have the camps that's the VU maxis or the S&P maxis. And this allows people to efficiently, allocate capital where they don't have to give up a portion of their portfolio to get both. That's the part of it I like the most. It's not an easy thing to do. It's a complex thing, but I love the idea that $1 now can get me stocks and Bitcoin or gold and Bitcoin and still produce a high level of income off of it.
And these are weekly distributions, right?
Yeah, we just launched yesterday, so our first distribution will be on February 3rd, but we'll be a weekly paying lineup every Tuesday. Just skipping the first Tuesday because it's such a short week, so we want to generate some premium. And I think first and foremost, that's really the goal of this, is to focus on as much as possible distributing premium to you and not just the NAV back into the fund. So again, something that 3, 5, 10 years out, you can still have hopes of having a similar dollar distribution, if not increased dollar distribution, hopefully outpacing inflation on your dollar distribution, because we have some ability to also participate in the upside. We have up to 2 rebalancing periods a day into these funds. We seeded on Tuesday, gold rallied. We woke up Wednesday morning. Guess what? We only had a 0.85 beta to gold. Zed and his team at Convexitas topped that off, added a little more to the gold. And that shows you how diligent we will be in this to really risk manage this portfolio and make sure we have, as Mike alluded to, those full exposures to the underlying assets. This is 2 out of 8 ETFs in this filings. So we'll have all combinations of stocks, Bitcoin, stocks, gold, treasuries, Bitcoin, treasuries, gold, Bitcoin, gold, and stocks and treasuries. We're starting with ISSB and ISDG, the stocks and Bitcoin pair and the Bitcoin and gold pair. But we hope to bring the rest of this lineup out to you as well. And I think a lot of people who use these income ETFs often like to use a little bit of margin in their accounts as well. So we figured we'd just embed that margin into the underlying product. And,
Okay. I didn't really care about that. So watching the market here, looking for IWM get new highs. We are in IWM calls. We are looking for a new high. We are in NDX put spreads, which are up about 20 plus points since we entered. So that's very good. Let's see what our spread is at. Give me a second. We are up about 30 to 40% here on those. Nice, nice, nice. I'm waiting for that IWM to get that pop. I know it's going to do it. I know it's going to do it. Come on. Come on. Do it for my iDubbbz. I know you're going to do it. It's at 272. That's exactly where we're looking for. It got me out before. I mean, I made profit before, but then it ripped. Let's see if we could do it. Come on. NQ's ripping. And IWM is not. Go, bitch, go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Break out. Come on, IWM. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. It's stuck. Just like my hopes and dreams. Okay, now we just wait. It's probably going to take a little dip. Maybe to the 271 area. Yeah. You know what? I think I might close IWM. I think it's going to take a dip. Worst case, I could buy it back. NQ, if it gets over this intraday little high that we had at 1045, that's going to be good. That means it should just lead up. Sure to get down, good Lord. Okay, we're trying. Come on. Come on, NQ. Get above there. Get above there. Not the yams. She's stuck. That bitch stuck. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I knew it. I knew I should have did it. It's okay. Okay, I'll wait and see the 250. Oh, yeah, 250. The 271, 250. What the hell am I looking at? Damn. You know what? I'm just gonna close the IWM. That's stupid. I don't know why I didn't sell it when I said. Close the IWM for loss there. You know, it just doesn't look that good right now. It looks like it's trying to curl down. So rather be safe than sorry and just close it and move on. And then if it holds and looks good, then I'll grab. Watch it bounce all the way back up right now. That'd be funny. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, it's bouncing. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Look at that shit. They got me. That's okay. I'm waiting for a trade. Oh, nice for the day. All my individual names are up nice. It's a win-win. Do. Oh my god. They fucked me on IWM. That's okay. It's okay. It's alright. I got something that my like. Those bastards. Mhm. There goes NQ. Okay. NQ going higher. Slow move though. Very slow. Look at Sandisk all the way back up. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, NQ just still sitting there. IWM are just sitting there. We're just chopping. Nothing to do here. Nothing to do here. nothing to do at all. At all. At all. My God. Thank you. Trying to go higher. I'm just sitting there. Market maybe wants to see new highs here. They're only 50 points away. Yeah. IWM is gonna see me high, you bastard. And keep going higher. Starting to see a little rejection here. Slowing down here. Nothing crazy here. I think I'm just gonna head to the gym before I get on my call at 12. So, other than that, so far spreads look good, barring any news like yesterday. Just need to wait and see what the market does. I'll see if I got any trades. I'll post them in the chat. But other than that, I'm gonna hop off and get to the gym here. I will catch you guys later. Have a great day. I'll be posting some clips up later on some spreads and stuff, so be sure to check that out.